ganda ng boses ninyo, very matched talaga ang chemistry nandun. Not just the voice, but of course kayong dalawa, you look good together performing. Na-feel namin yung connection ninyo sa isa't isa at connection ninyo sa tao din.
Ang gaganda ng boses yung dalawa, bagay na bagay. Yung chemistry nyo, I felt love, romance. No? Yung chemistry nyo, kinilabutan ako, sobra. I felt so happy in love because of you.
JM and Mariel, I must say, magandang love story yung ginawa nyo kanila. It was really moving.
The chemistry, sobrang impeccable ng chemistry niyo on stage. There was romance in your performance. The storytelling was very effective. Kaya ako natagal kung kayo ba. Kasi kung hindi ko kayo kilala, talagang isipin ko, mag-jowa kayo talaga. We're so in sync, talagang kapit na kapit from start to finish. Yung tonal qualities nyo talagang nagko-compliment from start to finish. I think that was a very, very excellent performance. I'm a fan.
The intensity gets higher as the most anticipated moment has come. Our next performers are perfect examples of perfect timing. Both became streamers that ultimately become world shakers. Their singing prowess rocks the hearts among all ages. Friends, brace yourselves as we bring you the ABS-CBN's Tawag ng Tangalan Duet Grand Champion, JM De La Sena and our very own Paul Pristine, Mariel Montañado.
forgot his stress and some beat of sleep. But this little Juliet, see this tree. I felt in my chest that you can't get me. I know we were bound to be together, bound to be together. Even on that, I don't know how it happened. She took the Lord, she said, to tell her that, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding up. She said, shut up, and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up, and dance with me. Come on, Jay! All right, deep in her eyes, oh, she got me asking, I feel the future. I realize this is what it is. She's in my arms. I don't know how it happened. She's in the Lord, she said. Please stop right here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, hey. 1, 2, 3, hey. I did you tell her, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance. So she tell her back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me. Come on.
J masterpiece, shining, falling, living it up with this city. Got trouble on with sail on. I gotta kiss myself, so pretty. I'm too high, and pull me to the body. I'm too high, you try to wanna reach out, but I'm too high. Say my name, you know who I am. Too high, gotta bow, come on, let's go. Girl says you hallelujah, girl says you hallelujah, girl says you hallelujah. It's up top, don't give it to you. It's up top, don't give it to you. It's up top, don't give it to you. Shout it out, you're the greatest spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Come on. Woo! Don't believe it, just watch. Come on now. Don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Wait a minute. Here I come, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Who we are? It's church. Jackson, Howard, Jackson, Mississippi. We start around, then it's all now. Just put it in the first jazz, give it. Come on, too high. Woo! Too high. Like a dragon, water retirement. Too high. They say my name, you know who I am. Too high. And I bow, break down. My girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. It's up top, won't go give it to ya. It's up top, won't go give it to ya. It's up top, won't go give it to ya. Shout it out, better hit the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Yeah. Don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Come on, dance, jump on it, and sexy, that body, and break that on it. Don't back down, touch it. Come on, dance, jump on it, and sexy, that body. But it's not enough, you hit the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh!
One of the longest 11 minutes of my life. What's up, mga kami? Kumusta?
Ay, grabe, puno ka ba rin, no? May kami sa lanan. Ha? Sa isa na Wow, once again, everyone, Kimo Gomatay. Alright, thank you. Actually, first time ko dito sa Cebu, and yeah, Cebu, make some noise! Grabe yung mga kabayan nyo. Yun nga, nag-uusap kami bago kami pumunta dito na. Sabi ko, di ba si JM, the frontman? Si Mariel, the Pampers team. Since lagi kami magkakasama, the third wheel. Benta kami. Pero hindi, grateful and thankful kami na nandito ka ngayon, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Once again, palakpakan natin. Kimo Gomatay, everyone. Napakagaling na tao. Bromers. Pero baka may gusto kang ano, no? Bago ang lahat. Siyempre, baka gusto kang i-promote or pasalamatan.
At ayun,
o magpakilala ka muna, bro. Gusto mo pa.
Ayun, once again, I'm Kimo from Idol Philippines, your Idol Philippines Season 2 grand winner. And yeah, you want more? You want more? Sige, para ba yan? Iwan ka muna namin. Bye-bye guys. Balik na bukas.
Ano ba natin